aircraft have been developed to attack enemy ground targets. Number 10. AMX International AMX. It's produced in partnership with Italy and Brazil. Launched in 1989, this aircraft has a length of 13.58 meters. Its fully loaded weight is 13 tons. Its maximum speed is 1,53 kilometers per hour and its operational range is 3,300 kilometers. Its main task is ground attack and reconnaissance aircraft. It uses the engine Rolls-Royce Spey turbofan. There is a unit cost of $16.5 million. Number 9. Specet Jaguar. It's produced in partnership with the UK and France. It was put into service in 1973. Its fully loaded weight is 15.7 tons. It's 17.53 meters long. It has a maximum speed of 1699 kilometers per hour. Specet Jaguar uses the powered Rolls-Royce Turbo Mach Adore turbofan engine. Its main task is ground attack and Number 8. XAC-JH7. It's produced by China. The main task of the XAC-JH7, produced in 1994, is interdictor and maritime attack aircraft. It has a maximum speed of 1,808 kilometers per hour. China WS-9 uses Kinling turbofan engine. It has a length of 22.33 meters and a maximum weight of 28.4 tons. Number 7. Mitsubishi F2. It's produced in partnership with Japan and the USA. Launched in 2001, Mitsubishi F2 has a length of 15.52 meters and a maximum weight of 22.1 tons. General Electric uses the F110IHI-129 afterburning turbofan engine. Mitsubishi and Lockheed Martin are designed for use by the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. The unit cost is $127 million. It has a maximum speed of 2,400 kilometers per hour. Number 6. The South Mirage 2000DN. It's produced by France. Launched in 1993, the South Mirage 2000DN has a length of 14.65 meters and a maximum weight of 17 tons. It has a maximum speed of 2,335 kilometers per hour. Its main task is ground attack aircraft. 1993, the South Mirage 2000DN has a length of 14.65 meters and a maximum weight of 17 tons. It has a maximum speed of 2,335 kilometers per hour. Its main task is ground attack aircraft. SNECMA M53B2 uses a turbofan engine. The unit cost is $30.6 million. Number 5. Sukhoi Su-24. It was produced by Russia. The Su-24, which entered service in the Soviet Union area in 1973, was the best attack aircraft of the period. The unit cost is $25 million. Sploviev uses the AL-21F-3A turbojets engine. Its main task is interdictional attack aircraft. It has a top speed of 1,654 kilometers per hour. It has a length of 22.59 meters and a fully loaded weight of 36 tons. Number 4. Boeing FA-18BD Hornet. It's produced by the USA. Launched in 1987, the FA-18D has a length of 17.7 meters and a weight of 21.88 tons. It's produced by McDonnell Douglas and Northrop companies. Originally produced in 1983, the main task of the FA-18 Hornet was multi-role fighter. The FA-18D, which was used as an attack aircraft in the 1987, was developed in the following years. General Electric uses the F404GE402 turbofan engine. It has maximum speed of 1,915 kilometers per hour. The unit cost is $29 million. Number 3. Panavia Tornado IDS. It's produced by partnership with Italy, United Kingdom and Germany.
Posso ir ao banheiro rapidinho? Se você não se importar. Claro, é a segunda porta direita ali.
And equipment than the F-15 Air Superiority Fighter. It's fitted with targeting pods and other specialized ground attack equipment. Pratt & Whitney 15E Eagle, the main task of which was strike and ground attack aircraft in 1989 as a new variant. The F-15E has different avionics and equipment than the F-15 Air Superiority Fighter. It's fitted with targeting pods and other specialized ground attack equipment. Pratt & Whitney uses the F-100PW220 turbofan engine and a fully loaded weight of 36.74 tons. It has a length of 19.43 meters. The unit cost is $31.1 million. It can reach a maximum speed of 2,655 kilometers and other specialized ground attack equipment. Pratt & Whitney 15E Eagle, the main task of which was strike and ground attack aircraft in 1989 as a new variant. The F-15E has different avionics and equipment than the F-15 Air Superiority Fighter. It's fitted with targeting pods and other specialized ground attack equipment. Pratt and Whitney uses the F100 PW220 turbofan engine and a fully loaded weight of 36.74 tons. It has a length of 19.43 meters. The unit cost is $31.1 million. It can reach a maximum speed of 2,655 kilometers per hour. We came to end of another